Okay friends, so let us discuss what happens to uninitialized variables. So the answer depends on whether it's a global variable or it's a local variable or it's a static local variable. So the answer, quick answer is that local variables are uninitialized, are garbage if you don't initialize them. Their value is unpredictable. But for static and global, it is ensured that they will be initialized to 0 or null or whatever corresponding to 0. Although from a purity perspective, you may like to still initialize them explicitly. It looks just plain clean. But in general, global and static variables, they will be initialized. The reason of it, one reason behind it is that they are coming from a data segment, static and global, while local is coming from the stack. So the local are not initialized. So let's say in this program, if I compile it, let me compile it without any flag. So I will just compile it. There is no warning. If I give that option that please warn me of any errors or any bad programming practices, then it gives a warning about local. So you can appreciate that it didn't give the warning about global and static variable. So that's what it is. I will not like to run it, but you can agree that local will be garbage, indeterminate, but globe and static local will be 0. Thank you.